Okay, Dad called me out to the shop here, wants me to help him out with something. What is it?
I want you to do some vacuuming.
Okay.
Vacuuming.
Okay, vacuuming.
Okay, you want to hear this run?
Yeah. Oh, what?
I'm waiting for the new air breather. Now this is fuel pump electric over manually.
Okay.
This is all set up, there's no leaks. Put the cover back on. This is what it looks like in here when it's all done.
Sweet.
Runs like a charm. I've done some insulating in here. Rather than put all that shit back in, I got this is special deafening material.
Okay.
Glue back plus it's stable.
So Dad was just saying if it's deafening material and it's
Get in here with a vacuum.
okay, yeah, I can get in there. Yeah. Okay, yeah, we can do that.
Start putting it back together.
Okay.
There we are.
Okay, so is this ready to roll out to the
No,
customer?
no,
What's
no.
left?
Air breather to finish,
Yeah,
and the shifter to put in,
right.
and finish the steering,
Okay.
and we're done.
Okay, so what do you figure? A couple more days
A
or?
couple more days. I want to make sure all the walking beams are greased properly,
Yeah.
and I'm going to back it out and change engine oil,
Okay.
and see what I can do. Water is good, or the antifreeze. It's
Yeah.
right up. I got to check the transmission, change oil, new filter, grease it, finish the power steering
Shifter.
and the shifter, and
Yeah.
then we're done. You can
Okay.
come pick it up.
So, remarkable on the turnaround here. Dad really, we had it here for a while, but once Dad started going, he actually got quite a bit done here in a short amount of time.
Well, I had too much in between.
Yeah. And we had a lot of different jobs here, and like we're still working on the yellow one here, but
You see what rolled in this morning?
I saw something roll in. What was it? Tractor or something, wasn't it? Oh, great. Whose is that?
Complete service on the tractor, seals and whatnot in the front end.
Is that a paid job or a freebie job?
No. That's a guy from Clearwater Lake owns that. He has a land down at Benito.
Okay. So next jobs for Dad here is we might roll in that brown one here
And finish it.
and finish it because it's a short job for Autopack. And then we got that other blue one that belongs to the narrow gauge owner, and it's a wide gauge. There's quite a bit of work done on that. And but Dad is still plugging away at the yellow one. I think there's a little bit of work on the green one that we still have to do, right?
Yeah, parts.
Yeah.
Parts is holding me up.
Yeah, parts. But Cat's happy.